Atong sayran karon labing uwan kalambuan sa pagdahilis dakbayan sa Naga, pinagi sa live update ni Luan Merondina. May
Bob, magwalo na ron kaadlaw no sukad mahitabo ang landslide sa may tinaan Naga o kasagaran sa mga apektadong mulupyo ana-ana karon sa evacuation centers. As of today, mokapina sa 7,000 ka mga evacuees ang gipahimutang karon sa 11 ka mga evacuation centers dinhi sa dakbayan sa Naga ug sa may San Fernando Osabog. Alang sa Dugang, update niini atong makauban karon live si Naga City Mayor Kristine, Vanessa, Chiong. Maayong hapon, Mayor.
Maayong hapon, Luan.
Okay. Mayor, ang usa sa mga gitan-aw karon is until when magpabilin ang mga evacuees sa mga evacuation centers. Na ba'y update from DNR as to ilang assessment sa relocation site?
Actually, Luan, ang si newly appointed regional director sa MGB7, Regional Director Carrido, informed me nga ang immediate na ma-report sa teams nga gikan sa Manila nga divided into geology ug mining will be first ang delineated unsafe zone sa landslide ug sa neighboring community. Ang second is ang assessment nila whether or not ang ato ang proposed relocation sites nga duha in Tinaan and in Balili sa Inuburan makapasar ba sa parameter sa safety and security sa MGB.
So wala pa sila nakasubmit.
Wala pa sila kasubmit. So, katong in connection sa iyong question kung kanusa ang stay pa sa evacuation centers ato ang mga nga preventive evacuations or those directly and indirectly affected sa landslide, tentative pagyud. So we are awaiting sa final report sa DNR Manila regarding the delineation of the unsafe zone. If naa na to ang report, we can validate sa atong cadastral map and survey on the ground kung pila gyud ka households ang ma-relocate o dili na makabalik sa ilahang panimalay. In the meantime, katong beyond the unsafe zone, depending sa DNR report, pwede na sila to be recommended nga makahinay-hinay na sila pauli sa ilang panimalay.
Okay. But if ever lang, Mayor, mataod-tauran pag yun pag-submit ang mga geologists?
Hopefully, if they can submit it tonight, ilahamang gisaad na ko that they will submit it tonight, and then hopefully, ingon ang team sad nako sa assessors to verify it, ang mga lot numbers, ang mga households nga naagyo dito on the ground. Give us, I think, 3 to 4 days nga mag-staking gyud on the ground, Luan, para makakita ta sa delineated unsafe zone nga dili na siya pwede mapapuyan or ma-declare na siya as a no-build zone per DENR assessment or recommendation.
Okay. But if ever lang, Mayor, based lang sa assessment sa DNR, murag dili siya safe, nabatay other areas nga gitan-aw nga posibleng relocation site?
Duha man atong gi-propose nga relocation sites. And then si Governor Junjun also committed to me nga nag-site po nag-inventory po sila og available nga properties sa Cebu Provincial Government nga naay usa nga naa sa Naga, and then naasay usapod nga outside of Naga. So this additional proposed relocation sites pwede po ni nato na mapa-assess sa MGB.
May we know asa na siya aside?
Dili lang sa nato ma-mention. Let us allow the governor to disclose it later on. But in the meantime, let us wait sa assessment sa DNR regarding the two proposed sites identified by the city government of Naga within the city of Naga.
Okay. But Mayor, kung mataod-taoran ni do na batay enough like in terms of kanang food nga ika-support? Imagine 7,000 evacuees.
Right. We have 11 evacuation centers, 7,000 plus na individuals, 1,700 plus na families. So sa tinuray lang ang Apo Cemex is taking care of the food packs of all the internally displaced persons nga taga Naga. And then the donation coming in plus the quick response fund sa city government will ensure na naapatay makalas to sustain the evacuation centers. Maulang niluan just to ensure everyone nga naa karon sa evacuation centers nga for as long na kinahanglan pa sila mo stay diha, we will make sure and we will pool all our resources para naagyud sila'y needs, ma-address ang mga needs nila diha sa evacuation centers.
Okay. I think si Super Bob Inalsaro, dunay dugang pagutana ni Mayor. So atong i-turn over nga kang Super Bob Inalsaro. Bob?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Luan. Mayor Kristine, mayang hapon.
Yes, mayang hapon, Bob. Mayang hapon.
Mayor, mo throwback lang ko gamay, no? Kaya it seems sa pagkakaroon, murag nagpadayon pa ning finger pointing between LGU sa Naga, MGB, and the Apo Land Quarry Corporation. Kining, I was able to obtain a copy of the report ni Mr. Alboro na sa ilang monitoring, this started since 2007, and for several times, they have recommended for the immediate relocation. Last report nila was on September 13, immediate relocation of 26 families in Tagaytay and Sindulan. But unfortunately, ang local government of Naga, I think that was during the time of your father before, sa 2007 up, murag wa mohimo og lakang ni Mayor Chiong. Unsa imong reaction ni Mayor Kristine?
Yes, I think they were posting it sa MGB website, no? And I have to clarify that. But let me confine my answer on that by the time nga ni lingkod nang ko as city mayor.
Okay.
It is true that geohazard map was provided to the city government of Naga.
Okay.
By the MGB 7.
Okay. And then
it is true, if imong tanawon ang geohazard, yes, it is true that imong tanawon ang geohazard map, Bob, more than 50% tingali sa amo ang land area. Puwa siya. Puwa. So, if imong tan-aon diha, mas maayo gyud nga walay specific recommendations on forced evacuations as far as I know. So, let me go back to the report that was made sa August 28.
Okay, both ni mo'y pasabot, dili ka manggilabot ni atong 27 up to 2011 up to 2018 kay that was during the time si mong father nga si Val, no? Kung pananglitan gihimo og gipaminaw lang unta ni. Yes. Yes, Mayor, go ahead.
Again, padayon, Bob.
Okay. So I mean nga during the times of father 2007 up to 2011 and up to 2018, that was August. Pero doon na may daghan sila gihapong mga recommendation dire from November 17, August 13, 2018, August 22, and up to August 29, nga nag-warning na daan ang MGB, and in fact, doon na sila yung mga recommendations din nga angay ninyo untang himuon, especially sa relocation sa mga affected families. Before your cease and desist order, based sa 29 report, unsay imong gihimo ni adto Mayor Kristine?
August 29.
Okay, August 29, yeah.
Yes, mo confine ko, Bob, no? So sa August 28, ako lang ning i-go back, no? Sa report nga naay cracks. August 29, atong gi-cease and desist order based sa report. So apparently, conduct sila on the same day og assessment sa Tagaytay Tinaan. No, walay labot ang Sindulan. It was never mentioned on the assessment nila on the August 29 technical report nga gi-cover letter ni attorney. So that particular report said that the Tagaytay cracks is a natural phenomenon. Ang cracks nga naa diha does not pose a threat to the area, localized ra siya and the neighboring community. So kana ra gyud ang ilang gi-assess. For once and for all, Bob, no, I never received in my time a threat advisory regarding Sindulan or Tinaan in particular. The only MGB advisory, as you may call it, that I received was in November 2017. advising the city that there is a La Nina starting December 2017. So, apart from that, wala gyud advisory nga gisulti nako ang MGB. The ones they posted in their website, no, wala gyud na nako ma-receive. Okay. So now, ang assessment regarding the Tagaytay was localized diha ra gyud. What we did was, ni-issue tag cease and desist, and we evacuated the people there, located in Tagaytay.
Okay.
And MGB knows this very much. Sindulan, Tinaan was never mentioned. And then, I would like to let the documents speak for itself, no? Nga niingon man gyud sila based on that assessment nga Tagaytay ra, and then dili gyud siya hadlok even the neighboring community. To be fair to them, I think the team never imagined sad that this landslide will reach as far as Sindulan. That's why they made a clearance to the company na makapadayon sila sa ilang quarry activities. However, ni-request na sad ko balik, no, kay og assessment kay murag naa na say report nga naay cracks didto, ni balik sila sa September 18 tingali or 17.
Yeah.
Then unfortunately, no, naabtan na ta diri sa landslide, wala na nila makuha, awa na sila ka-issue og official report regarding that. But it is true, Bob, that they came here to investigate Tagaytay, Tinaan twice.
Yeah. Okay. I have that copy of that
There
report,
is
no?
an urgency at that time, Sad. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Mayor. Okay. Samtang murag it seems nga they're washing their hand ang MGB, ang ilang justification, ilang gi-inspect ang kining Tagaytay because there was a request based on the findings nga dunay mga cracks dito and determined fissures also. Pero since 2007, they have been monitoring Sindulan. Unya, karon ang nahitabo, mingon sila nga sa report sa Tagaytay that it was not critical and it not pose danger to the neighboring communities. How far is Sindulan sa Tagaytay? Kaya mo yung neighboring, mura na nag-adjacent, enjoining, or doon ra ba? So, ilang nataligaman nga they have been monitoring that since 2007 up to before the landslide, Mayor Kristine.
Mga more or less 2 kilometers from ang Tagaytay to Sindulan.
Okay.
In fact, kung ang Tagaytay mauni, napanay flat terrain, napanay bukid, and then naadiri ang located ang Sindulan.
Okay. Mayor, my last question, kaya limitado atong oras sa television. Nag-snowball na ang call karon for the total or ban sa mining and quarry. And I know that the APO is paying a huge revenue diha sa inyong dakbayan, mao na usa na kapahimong industrial city. Amenable ba ka nga ihuno na ng quarry or ang mga mining diha, Mayor Kristine, sa imong area?
You know what? I was informed that Secretary Simato lifted the suspension order
Yes.
of all other quarry activities except for Naga, right? So, ako lang sa tamong pahibaw-on, no, that ang CEMEX is not the #1 taxpayer in terms of amount in the city of Naga. Ang akong priority, good Bob, and I want to say this, and I thank you for the opportunity to say this, ang atog yung priority, ang safety sa mga tao. And I am glad that kung i-declare na sa DNR nga unsafe na ang area sa landslide, I will adhere.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is, ang buwis, Bob, is just secondary.
Okay.
The city of Naga will survive regardless of their existence.
Mayor, my final question. This is too personal. Is the Chiong family have engaged in any whatever transaction with the APO-CEMEX or Apo Quarry and Land Corporation?
As far as I know, Bob, wala.
The security sa Apo, I've been hearing reports. Inyo ba ng security agency ko no or dili?
Dili, wala mi security agency, Bob.
Okay. Mayor, thank you so much for the time and good luck. I hope nga ma-attend ang mga needs sa atong
Salamat, Bobby.
atong
Thank
mga evacuees dia. Mayong hapon, Mayor.
Salamat, Bob.
Salamat.
Thank you.
May.
Daghang salamat, Mayor. Yes, Bob, ding mga orasa, Bob, atong nasayra no ang kadagkuan sa Incident Command Post, nagpahigayon karon og press briefing alang sa Dugang Kalambuan, updates gikan dito sa Ground Zero. So, masayra nato na later on ug balik kanimo diha, Bob. So far mao na ang latest gikan dinhi sa Dakbayan sa Naga. Bob?
Thank you so much, May, sa imong live report with Mayor Kristine Vanessa Chiong.